Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 8, and today we will learn what are the vertical harakat in the Holy Quran. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what are the vertical harakat in the Holy Quran and how do we pronounce the vertical harakat in the Holy Quran. We will learn in this lesson vertical harakat with example. What are the vertical harakat in the Holy Quran? Viewers, vertical zabar, vertical zir and inverted pesh are called vertical harakat. In the Holy Quran, vertical zabar, vertical zir and inverted pesh are called vertical harakat. This is the sign of vertical zabar, this is the sign of vertical zir and this is the sign of inverted pesh. Vertical zabar and inverted pesh are placed on the letter or above the letter or top of the letter, whereas vertical zir is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. Vertical zabar and inverted pesh are placed on the letter or above the letter or top of the letter, whereas vertical zir is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. How do we pronounce the vertical harakat in the Holy Quran? We pronounce the vertical harakat by stretching them up to one alif or two harakat. We pronounce the vertical harakat by stretching them up to one alif or two harakat. Let's see the examples of vertical harakat. This is the example of vertical zabar. This is the example of vertical zir and this is the example of inverted pesh. How do we pronounce vertical harakat in the Holy Quran? Let's learn with spelling. Kha, vertical zabar kha, kha, vertical zir khi, kha, inverted pesh khu, kha, khi, khu, kha, khi, khu. In another way we can pronounce, let's learn. Kha, khada zabar kha, kha, khadi zir khi, kha, ulta pesh khu, kha, khi, khu. ho, he, who. This is the example of vertical harakat in the Holy Quran. Thanks for watching. Kindly share and like this video. I daily upload a video. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.